Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to change default web browser in Telegram on iPhone. Now Safari is set as the default web browser. You can choose to use other supported browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and more. Let me show you how it's done the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, open the Telegram app on your iPhone. After that, tap the settings icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap Data and Storage. After that, you have to scroll down to the other section and tap Open Links in. On the screen, you should see all the supported web browsers which you have installed on your iPhone. Now select a desired web browser and you are pretty much done. That's all there is to it. From now onwards, all the links will open in this specific web browser. Of course, if you ever want to switch to other web browser, all you have to do is follow the same steps and then choose your preferred web browser and you are all set. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.